Over the next 5 minutes, we invite you to learn about an exciting opportunity that could change the way grease analysis and testing is performed on critical components forever. You may be asking yourself, why should I be concerned with grease analysis? The fact is, approximately 20% of the world's bearings are oil lubricated, as stated by SKF, while the other 80% are grease lubricated. With so many grease lubricated bearings, just imagine if you had access to a sampling and analysis tool to optimize the performance of your grease lubricated equipment. With MRG's Grease Thief, now you can be an early adopter of a technology that allows you to decrease downtime, reduce energy consumption, and extend machinery life. The Grease Thief sampling tools seamlessly grab a trendable sample each time from the critical component, utilizing the Grease Thief as a replacement drain plug on an electric motor, or to grab a sample from the bearing or gear mating area in a gearbox. Specially designed with a 1/8 inch thread, the Grease Thief holds just over 1 gram of grease. The small cylindrical design fits easily into a tube for convenient shipping to the laboratory using Grease Thief sampling kits.
How can meaningful analysis be done with just 1 gram of grease? The answer lies in the efficient design of the analyzer and the patent-pending technology behind the Grease Thief extrusion die. The extrusion die is an innovative device that both measures changes in consistency of the grease as well as extruding a thin film for subsequent analysis. The 1.5-inch long sample of grease in the Grease Thief is extruded out to a 7-inch ribbon, which can easily be sectioned for various analysis tests.
Pre-packed straight to your laboratory, the Grease Thief removes the typical time-consuming handling steps. An extrusion die is placed on the end of the Grease Thief and loaded into the analyzer for constant temperature control. Under variable pressure and force conditions, grease is extruded onto a plastic substrate to measure its consistency, while the sample is optimized for further analysis. In the final phase of the extrusion, the grease is squeezed through a 40,000th inch wide slot to create a uniform thin film that is deposited onto the specially designed substrate. The substrate is designed with peel-away sections, each containing 0.25 grams of grease, which can be conveniently moved to other testing stations around the laboratory. Up to 6 other laboratory tests can be done with a single substrate, including FTIR, ruler, ferrous debris level, metals spectroscopy, analytical ferrography, and rheometry. Incredibly, these provide a full analysis test slate, examining grease in all 4 critical test areas, including wear, consistency, contamination, and oxidation. In fact, all of these consumables are disposable, which eliminates the risk of cross-contamination between tests and eliminates the time-consuming tasks of cleaning and preparing grease samples the old-fashioned way. Truly an industry-changing innovation. The easy-to-use Grease Thief analyzer incorporates a number of incredible features, allowing anyone to use the instrument with precision. It features a PLC touchscreen, an environmental chamber that is temperature controlled at 30 degrees Celsius, a continuous process for analysis, a built-in 12-sample preheat rack, laser-guided actuators, and a built-in sample guide block to ensure maximum precision. A pause feature that allows the operator to stop the instrument mid-test for any reason, and then continue the test without loss of data. This allows the lab to perform the required analysis on tricky greases with the sample provided, and not have to come back to the customer for a second sample. The ease of use and simple data interpretation make the Grease Thief a perfect screening test for flagging problem samples and quickly providing a detailed evaluation of those in unsatisfactory condition. Until now, the conventional wisdom has been that laboratories could not provide a meaningful grease analysis. After all, grease can be tricky stuff. But with the Grease Thief, tedious, high-cost grease analysis is a thing of the past.
As the industry leaders in grease analysis, you should feel confident that MRG Labs is here to help you achieve your customer service goals. We offer technical support, data interpretation advice, and instrument training. Capitalize today on this tremendous opportunity. We welcome you to contact us in the laboratory with any questions you may have.